So I'm Ambre Jeanneau and I'm in charge of global enablement at Uberall. Yeah, I've been working here for 3 years now, actually. It's my anniversary month. The idea behind enablement is to make sure that our customer-facing team have all the support, resources and knowledge that they need in order to be successful in what they do, which is bringing new customers and taking care of them afterwards. I don't think I have a typical day right now because there's so many projects going on that I'm not doing. There's no 2 days in a row where I will do the exact same thing. One of them is creating a playbook to simply make the onboarding and the learning path easier and more straightforward. So it doesn't last for 6 months, but it lasts for 6 weeks. Another one is we are implementing a tool right now, which is called Seismic. It's an enablement tool which centralizes all content. Another project that we've launched a few weeks ago, which are the weekly training. So every week we have a training for the customer organization. Why people would join enablement in general? I think the first idea behind it is that you can have many different profiles in this function because, as I said, it's really a cross-functional idea, and we work closely with sales and learning and development and marketing and so on. So whether you have an experience in learning and development, an experience in sales, or an experience in marketing, and you decide that you want at some point to go more toward an operational and strategic position, enablement is there for this. Yeah.